Okay, so we have here today an interesting situation whereby we have what we call Livedo Reticularis, which basically it's reticular way of the skin looking with blotchiness everywhere. And you can see that on the skin levels right here. You see those blotchiness of red and white everywhere? And the same thing here. Okay, this is basically associated with Raynaud's deformity, Raynaud's problems, and you can see on the hands too. It's very, if you touch, it's very clammy and very wet, but at the same time very, very warm. But all of a sudden it can become very, very cold. And the same thing with the feet. If you touch the feet, they're nice and warm right now, but they can become really cold if they are exposed to the cold outside. So here's the situation. So this is the artery, okay, arterial wall. There is the vessel, and then there's like 3 vessels on top of each other with the artery. So there's like 3 vessels. And the middle part of it is the part that has the muscle. And that muscle is smooth muscle, which means it does its own thing. You don't control it. So it can spastically close up the artery, okay? So now as it closes the artery, you have 2 options, okay? You either open the artery, and that's through medication, and or you get the blood to be more fluidy so as it can actually get through a closed artery. So you have 2 options. The opening of the artery is depending on medication that you get from your cardiologist or your family practice person, okay? And the blood flow also is another medication that you can get to get the blood to go through. So those are the 2 options. You had another question, or you have, this is it. This is it. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Did I explain it enough?
Absolutely.
Wonderful. If you guys have any questions, by all means call, let me know, and or write something, and I'll try to explain them as much as I can. I went through it very small amount of explanation. I don't want to go too much, but if you have any questions, by all means let us know, because we can explain more about how those things can be done. Thank you.